Hey guys, Sherri Fox here with What the Fox, and today I'm going to show you how to change a single pole light switch. Single pole merely means it is the only switch to this light. There can be many reasons as to why we need to change a light switch. Maybe you're upgrading your light switch, or maybe you just want to change the color. But in this situation, this light switch is just completely broken. The switch will not stay in the on position. It remains in the off position. However, the light is still on. If you had an electrician do this, they would probably charge you $125 to $150. So I'm going to show you how we're going to fix this for less than $5. The first thing we want to do is cut the circuit breaker to the light. The faceplate has already been removed, so we will just remove the top and the bottom screw. Then you want to gently pull the light switch out until you can expose the wires. For some reason, this light switch had black electrical tape around it, but it isn't necessary. We are going to be replacing this with just a single pole light switch. You will see two brass terminals with two brass screws. And on the other side, you will see a green grounding screw. You will simply loosen the two brass screws so that you can release the two black wires. These screws will not come all the way out. They will only loosen. And then you will just remove the two black wires. You can use needle nose pliers to make it a little easier. You will then see a bare copper wire. This is your ground wire. This wire could possibly have a green sheathing over it, as you see here. You will just loosen the screw and remove the wire. Now take a look at your switch. You will see on one side of the switch it says off, and on the other side it says on. You just want to make sure when inserting the switch back into the box, you put it in the upright position. Now at this point, you may be thinking to yourself, Sherri, I've lost track of the black wires. I don't know which one goes on top and which one goes on the bottom. It's okay, guys. You don't have to keep up with the black wires. You can attach either black wire to either brass terminal as long as you have a secure connection. Now let's look at our wires. You'll notice on the ends they look like little hooks. We need these hooks to wrap around the brass screws. You can use your needle nose pliers to make a better hook if need be. Now when wrapping your hooks around the screws, you want them to come from the bottom and wrap them around the top, like so. Because the screw tightens to the right, so we want to make sure and wrap the wire in the same direction. You can use your needle nose pliers to help twist it around the screw. And then you will simply tighten the screw until it is snug. And then just repeat this for the other black wire. I was unable to get my camera to the other side, but I did have enough room in my wires to flip the switch over so that I could expose the grounding screw. You will simply hook the bare copper ground wire around the green grounding screw the exact same way you did the black wires. And then just tighten until you have a snug connection. And now just make sure you place your switch in the upright position. Carefully insert the switch and line the screws up, top and bottom, with the holes. You may not want to tighten the screws all the way because you may need to make some adjustments when replacing the faceplate. If for some reason your switch isn't centered to your faceplate, just make the necessary adjustments and slide it left or right until it is. And now just replace the faceplate by lining up the holes and the screws. Now all we have to do is restore power to our light. Now we have a working light switch. We need to replace a few light bulbs, but other than that, it's just that easy, guys. If you like what we're doing here, guys, smash that like button for me. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. I'll do my best to answer them. And can I encourage you to subscribe? I would greatly appreciate it. This is Sherri saying you guys can easily do this. Thanks again, guys, for tuning into What the Fox. Until next time, take care.